Today we've got a 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz SEL. This is the very first time I've seen this vehicle. I've seen a lot of things online about it. Today I'm just going to go over some features on this vehicle. So let's go. They put the headlights down here and the fog lights below on this model. The running lights are up top, and it's kind of nice how they do this. It actually runs all the way down up in the front. Consider this like in a truck. It's on a Tucson design, so it's like a Tucson married a truck and had a kid. What it almost looks like. This is really nice to have these curved in for your fender flares. Either they stick out, these are actually flared in. This is not on a frame, just for all you truck people out there. This one has a cap. Now, something I do really like about this one, they have the corner step rear bumpers. Not as big as an opening as the Chevys, but good opening nonetheless. There's your camera. This does have a button to let your tailgate down. So I'll just go ahead and do that. As you can see, this one has all kinds of knickknacks inside. I'm gonna open that storage up here in a second. I do like this quite a bit. You do have this tonneau cover, kind of like a Ridgeline or an Avalanche. It does have a little glass window back there. Now, cool thing about this, you can actually stop it by pushing this piece down. See how that's not going all the way up? And just let it go. This is very nice. You have your tie downs that you can move. You do have LED lighting in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and move this bed extender out. It's just so fancy. And then I'm gonna try to open this up. Oh, looks like you can't. Hold on. Really wasn't hard to remove that. All you have to do is put the bed extender in a 45-degree angle right here, and it pops right off with no tools. I'm gonna hit the open here. Got a place for stuff down below. Pretty cool. Let's see what's in here. You got storage in there. And I'd say this is the exact same thing. Nice power plug inside of this model. When pulling this piece back in, make sure to stand here and pull this handle back. If not, it's just going to slide back up in there, and it's going to suck because you're going to have to start all over. Let's go see what's in the back. Okay, so now we're in the back. You see it's got pretty good room in it, in the back here. And it's how your sliding rear window works. It's just a simple little button to push. Let's go in here. That lifts your headrest up. We'll see how these guys work in here. Lift up on that. There's where all your jack and everything's included on this one. Hey, going inside, showing you have a power seat. All your climate controls and everything are going to be over here. You got driver and front passenger climate control. You have heated seats on there. Auto hold is a feature you can push. If you don't want to keep having your foot on the brake, you push auto hold. That'll keep your vehicle from moving forward when you're at a light. There's your lock for your all-wheel drive system, hill descent control, your camera. This is your electric parking brake, and your driver mode. What happens when you hit driver mode? It's just going to change the screen from snow, normal, sport, which is cool, smart, which is less fuel consumption, and then went to snow already. You got a 10.2 inch display, diagonal. Will display all your stuff on the screen. This one does have a wireless charging port here, along with extra power ports here. Nice inside. Does have your power sunroof on there. Pretty cool. There's all your instrumentation for the steering wheel and your headlights here. And your wipers are there. Pretty cool. Did want to get a shot with those lights. They're really nice. Leave comments below what you think. If you're interested in this one or another one, go to buywithbenny.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.